welcome back to my channel. So yeah, today's video, guys, I'm going to review the Carli Bybel palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So yeah, and I'm sorry guys that I've been so absent and stuff. I've been trying to do a video. It's just been crazy. Like I could never like do a video in the morning because my family's loud and ugly. No shade, but yeah, like I always try my best to do videos and shit, and it's never working out. But I'm still gonna do the Jeffree Star and Morphe palette. Don't worry, I got y'all. Okay, like don't worry, bitches. But yeah, I'm gonna try my best. Okay. So yeah, without further ado, let's get it started. If you're new to my channel, I normally just do a first impressions, but I did dig into this palette before, so I am going to tell you guys how I feel about this palette towards the end. But if you guys are new to my channel, I am going to swatch my favorite palettes, my favorite shades from this palette. So without further ado, let's take the brush out. Actually, this brush is my favorite brush that it comes with. Normally the brushes that like come with the palette suck, but this is my favorite. Like I had the ones from Soft Glam and Modern Renaissance, but this one is so good. Like this one's so good. It doesn't scratch or anything like the other ones. But yeah, I'm gonna swatch a couple shades for you guys for the palette. So I'm gonna swatch, let's start out with, I'm gonna do Mandala. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty or whatnot. It's a sheer moment, but it's really cute. It's like a little topper, like you know, you can put it on top of a purple or whatnot. Let's swatch the OA. I fucking love this one. It's so unique. Like it's like a black base, but it has purple and blue glitter reflex. Like I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks so stunning. See, oh my god, like look at that shit. That shit is Lily Bob. Like, whew, it's so pretty. Let's swatch one more. Let's do a matte. Alright, I'm gonna swatch the shade Steve. But it's like this red coral moment. It's so cute. It's like it reminds me of like a strawberry raspberry vibe. So let's swatch Miss Steve. Alright, so it's kind of patchy over here, but it is low-key still pigmented. Alright guys, so these are all the swatches of the Carli Bybel palette. So I have these right here, and then I have two of the last shimmers. Well, I don't know if I can show you guys. Wait, I need to swatch these again. Let me see. Alright, so these are Aura. This is Aura. I love this shade. It's so fucking pretty. It's like a pinky gold. And then this is My Angels, which I fucking love this one. It's so like Anastasia's like metallic foil colors are everything. Like they know how to do a good fucking foil. I love their formulas. Like they're one of my favorite formulas next to Jeffree Star. These are so good. Alright, but without further ado, bitch, let's get into this eyeshadow look. So now to start off with my primer, I'm gonna take the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, because I low-key don't like the Eden color now because it dries too fucking fast. Like I'm starting not to like that. And I'm just taking it on a perfusion brush that came with one of the palettes. Guys, so now I'm gonna take the shade Bybel right here, this mauve purple moment, and I'm just gonna stamp that on the outer V like I always do, just to set the primer and also work it in. Oh my god, this color is so pigmented. And guess what, bitch? Alright, so I got some tea while I'm blending this out. Everybody was talking so much shit about this palette. Like, oh, it sucks. It's so boring. XYZ. But when you see it in person, honestly, it's so much better. Like, the colors are so much vibrant and everything like that. And you know what the tea is? I don't even fucking watch Carli Bybel. But I guess that's her aesthetic. Like, that's all her colors. Like, that's all the colors she would normally wear on the basis, like on the regular. So you can't really clock her for not doing a bright orange or fucking neons and shit like that, because that's not her judge. Like, she doesn't wear that on the regular. So, like, why would you expect her to come out with a fucking rainbow palette? You know, like, girl, she don't wear that on the regular. Like, that's not what she's gonna do. But these colors are blending out really nice. And, like, it's so pigmented. But you can't, like, you know, really. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna take the shade Bowie right here. And fun fact, that's actually the name of one of my cats. But I'm gonna take this on this side of the brush, because I was using this side on the shade Bybel. I'm gonna take this side on the brush and just stamp it out on the outer V just to add some definition. So now I'm going to take the shade Bybel again, and I'm going to just blend it out so it won't be no harsh line. Back in this scene, and this is the final look. How do you guys feel about it? I personally love it. I was going for like a more dewy, glowy look today because I was already sweaty before I did this, so I'm like, bitch, why not continue with the dew? So yeah, my thoughts on the Carli Bybel palette from Anastasia is really nice. The swatches are really nice. The mattes are really nice. Like, I don't understand why people say it's chalky and stuff like that. It's really not. I mean, like, it's pigmented. It's Anastasia's formula. The only nick I would say about it is this bear color and this bully color. They are, like, not that pigmented of it. It's like the sheer, like, shimmer from, like, the Soft Glam, like the fairy color from Soft Glam. But it's kind of like that. It's giving me those type of vibes. But a little creepy, but this is editing Johnny here. So basically, I also like to add that the shade Chai and like has a lot of kick up. Like, oh my god, like a lot of fallout in the pan. Like, it's like subculture things. Like, but other than that, I also like to add like it looks like I used the palette a lot of times, like 6 times or anything. It was only my 3rd time using the palette, and some of the shades look like it had already been dug in. I'm like, damn, it's gonna give me subculture teas soon. So yeah, like Bybel, Chai, Steve, and Bowie, they all look like I've been dug in a lot of times. So like, yeah. Other than that, I mean, alright, another thing that's pissing me off about this palette, alright, so I love the shade Bowie. It's a really good deep brown, but there should be like a black in it, something deeper, like a cool tone dark black, a cool tone dark brown, like something darker than this color, because I couldn't deepen up the crease, and that's the thing that, I couldn't deepen up the outer V how I wanted to, so that was the thing that was making me mad. But other than that, this palette is pretty good. I mean, if you love cool tones, you will love this palette. Like, this is really like, if you could do a cool tone looks with this like first row, and then you could do like warmer tones, like peachy moment, with, like the bottom row. So it's like, it's a really good palette. I mean, like, I don't understand why people don't like it. I mean, maybe because like Anastasia's influx of palettes recently, they came out with like 60 different colors and like fucking 60 palettes in 3 months. Like, the fuck? But I love this palette. This palette is passable for me. Yes, this palette is passable. I like it a lot. I don't understand why people don't like it, but I like it. The packaging is really cute and girly. My steez. I love it. But yeah, this is my fantasy. No, it's not my fantasy, girl, but it is really good. I love it. But you guys, if you guys like this video, you already know what time to do, honey. Oh, give me a pass. Oh, wah! This palette is passable, bitch. Anyway, so let me do this fucking outro. If you guys like this video, you already know what time to do, honey. Give me a big all that. Okay, guys, I love you guys so much. And yeah, I love you, my moon babies.